Hi, just a quick video today to show you some of the new minimally invasive diamonds I'm using for very tiny preps. To be as conservative as possible, these are made by Microcopy. There are plenty of small burrs that you could use the same way, but these ones that I'm going to show you have some specific advantages that I happen to like personally. I'm going to try and show you why I like them and see what you think. The first thing I like about these is the narrow shank. It's only about 3/4 of a millimeter in diameter, so they're easier to orient in the posterior while maintaining good visibility. The heads are very compact. They're not too narrow, like a needle or a mosquito diamond might be. And this is important because with flowable composites, you need the restorative material to, flow completely through the prep. So the prep can't be too skinny at the deepest point, and the transitions within the prep should be smooth. Uh, you can be very specific with these about targeting only the decayed tissue and preserving surrounding healthy enamel. You also end up with a smaller restoration in terms of surface area, which we all know is one of the main factors determining the longevity of a restoration. The smaller the diameter, smaller the surface area, the better it is. Since these are diamonds instead of carbides, they do create an ideally textured surface, which improves both the aesthetics and the durability of the restoration by improving the ability to bond properly to it. But they make almost 20 different kinds of these things, so you can probably find a shape that will suit you if you look through the catalog. So if you want to give these a try, just call up Microcopy like most of their products. They'll send you a free sample if you ask, so ask, see if you like them.